Hello everyone, Farswabiha here. Today I'll be creating a mixed media piece using CrafTreat paper pads, stencil and chiplets. I'll be using a few sheets of paper from this Pretty Poses paper pad today. All of the papers in this collection is really pretty, but I chose this brown pattern paper for the background of my project and the orange floral one for the floral elements. I have cut the paper a tad bit bigger than the base so that I can distress the edges later on. Here I'm using white glue to stick the paper to the cardboard base. Even though I really love the pattern paper how it was, but I wanted to mute it down a little bit for today's project. That's why I'm using diluted white gesso to tone it down a little bit. I'm using a sharp scissor to distress the edges of the base. I wanted to add some floral textures to the background. That's why I'm using CrafTreat rose vase stencil to add texture paste to the background. This is a special homemade texture paste where I've mixed embossing powder with it. I love darker edges for my mixed media projects. That's why I'm using black archival ink to darken the edge of the circle base. Another step that I always like to follow is to add stamped textures to the background, and here's what I'm doing right now. Finally, some black and gold splatters to bind everything together. Once I was satisfied with my background, I went straight ahead to fuzzy cut the elements. Now it's time to compose the elements. I'm using a piece of white surgical gauze to ground all the other elements, and now one by one attaching all the other elements over it. After composing the elements, I felt like the background still needed something. That's why I'm adding gold accents here and there. Always like using some gems to embellish my projects, and today I'm using the brown ones. I used the sentiment a bit of gossip for today's project because with the image I used, I thought this sentiment worked perfectly. So finally the project is done. I hope you liked watching today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye-bye.